Jamaica is my place, you know. I love Jamaica, you know. I love Jamaican people, you know. And we say that without apology.
And his love for this woman has been a growing affair throughout his life in America. Born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, Ras Shiloh's rise is a testament to the far-reaching impact of reggae music and Jamaica's influence on the rest of the world, despite being a tiny island across the sea.
We love Jamaica with heart and soul. I pay a yard man grow me from my idea and my knee. From me a little youth, the man them say, where you come from? And I say, I come from 35 Oliver Road. And them time I never come to Jamaica in my life. You understand? You see it when I come to Jamaica, the first place I dropped was 35 Oliver Road. I'm stay up in a Warwicker Hill amongst the warriors then.
Our love every day is getting stronger. Never give up on our visions, hold tight like there's no other. All our joys brings us happiness in splendor. With so much love, there's no retreat or surrender. More than treasures, we were destined for each other. Many are called, I am chosen for this pleasure. With love in every language. Isn't this amazing? Love in every language.
Like so many, his journey in music started from a young age. His mom sang in church, and being a relative of the American and R&B singer Betty Wright, music was in his DNA.
I used to go home and go on and step up on I go in the bathroom and step up on the crate there and typically see myself in the mirror and I have the broomstick and go on like me a tenor saw. You know what I mean? You know, see it, you know. Reggae music is a powerful music, you know. You understand? And Jamaicans are very influential, you know, all over the world, you know, being a stone throw away from Bally's International, you know, and being there and seeing different artists come from all about Barrington Levy, Frankie Paul, Sluggy Ranks, the list goes on, King Kong, Tenasa, Nitty Gritty, Super Cat, you know, for see these artists live performing on the sound and thing, you know, it done something to me.
When I call on your name, Jesus, the miracle all over again. The light, the truth, the word, beginning and end. You are the greatest, much more than a friend.
His soft yet powerful melodic voice is a reminder of another legend in reggae music, Garnet Silk, one of the many collaborations Ras Shiloh has made within the reggae fraternity. This powerful tenor is made even stronger by the positive message carried with it.
You think before you pull that trigger, hate to see when youths become friend killers. So much work for the grave diggers, human life value more.
And with this message of positivity, he's encouraging young people who want to make music to follow.
And always make music that you feel proud of. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, when I look back at my track record, you know, I feel good about every song that was created and every melody that was made, because it can echo in front of grandparents, you know what I mean, children, without me have to run and go turn it down because me did say something where, you understand what I say? So at the end of the day, just be true to music, because music will be true to you if you're true to music. Stay hungry, stay focused on the mission, keep the Almighty in front of everything you do, because without the Most High, nothing is possible.
He admits that there have been challenges, but would rather not focus on them, as he says they make him stronger. However, one proves more vexing than the others, and that is the month of January. Despite it being his birth month, he confesses that it's a rough time for him, having lost both parents in that month. He's overcoming power, spreading positivity, and helping others.
Whatever we can do to help out the people in the country, you know, the Most High give we a talent, we have to use that talent to do anything that we can do to help out the people, because my people, you know, Jamaican people are my people, you know. No matter where I go on, I wish for my bond. You understand? You know, see it, when I'm there at Jamaica for years. They celebrate now, yeah. Winning without fighting is best. Lovers of war will perish. I know. But you see, coming to Jamaica, linking up with Tony Rebel, you know, linking up with Steve Lindo, you know what I mean? Linking up with the whole Flames battalion, you know. You see, once this song dropped, are you satisfied? Wipe those tears from your eyes. It was history. You know what I say? And that song was from 1995, 1996. And all know the people them still echoing it, you know. So at the end of the day, we have to make good music because good music is going to stand the test of time and it's going to last.
And after decades of being in the industry, Ras Shiloh is teaming up with DJ Khaled to create new music with his worldwide message of love and unity, one that people can relate to no matter where they are from.